So I think we're in a world where it's not just dongles anymore, it's not just one device. We're actually looking at sort of supplying customers' needs across a whole range of devices. So we're seeing tethering become more important, but that will never be for everyone. We're seeing tablets become more important. And obviously dongles are still important too. So we're making sure we've got integrated propositions across all of these devices, and there'll be other devices as well in future, I'm sure, by making the tariffs very simple and making them work across these devices as well. So for example, we've got a double data promotion at the moment which is working across our dongles and our tablet SIM proposition, so it's the same for all customers. They are definitely happening. It's still dominated by iPad, and I think will be for at least this year and probably next year. All the others are trying and they're producing some really good products, but Apple is still dominating that market. It's not for us to drive or otherwise the tablets, but we will certainly try and support customers and serve customers that have them, whether they buy a Wi-Fi one, so we'll give them a proposition that can help them get their Wi-Fi device connected, or if they buy a 3G tablet, if they pay the extra money for that, then we help them get really easily connected to their 3G tablet. We've got an on-board menu within the Apple menu structure where customers can connect their 3G and get into the O2 tariff, see what the O2 tariffs are, and connect them and get into a regular tariff plan there. It's device first. It's the same as the mobile world. They start with device and then move on from there. Regarding the network, I don't think it's speed. I think it's reliability and coverage, and then speed and capability come beyond that. So maybe in the future when they want to do more video, when the speed is there, they do find things to do with it. So video will come along, HD video will come along more and more. But first and foremost, customers want reliability and consistent coverage. We have actually, all through last year, it was a real concern for us across the whole industry, and it stayed pretty flat and didn't get any better from quite a low base, and it wasn't just us, it was across everyone. This year, it seems to have been an uptick in customer satisfaction, and I think the networks are performing better this year. As all of us get used to dealing with the mass of smartphones on our network. So customer satisfaction has grown this year, and coverage is growing out as well. So those things your previous question, reliability and coverage have improved, and hence customer satisfaction has followed. It's fascinating seeing how similar some of the issues are across the different countries. So I see statistics about how much internet use is in the home or in the office, in Brussels, in Bulgaria, in Sweden, and they're all so similar to what we see in the UK. So some things, the consistency there is strange and really fascinating. And so that thing about static use of mobile products for the internet is an example of that. And just meeting people from across Europe and across the world is always fascinating. You just learn things you don't expect to. I saw a presentation from Denmark just now, very interested in what they're doing with an integrated NAS drive into a proposition. It's something that's got so many possibilities for customers, but most people don't know how to use them, so putting a good UI on there and productizing it is the way forward. And maybe adding a cloud-based service on top of that is going to be a really interesting thing for customers going forwards.